Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll be reviewing our GLA-RTK Serene app in combination with our GLRM receiver. The setup looks like we have an app installed on a tablet, we have a POL and our GLRM receiver mounted. At first you'll have to boot up the receiver and connect it with the Serene app. In order to do this, please make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled, and then in the main screen we click on the chain sign, click on connect, we select the connectivity method, GLE, the model of our receiver. Please make sure to select the pole height, and in the same window we can also set up our NTRIP profile. That's in order for us to configure the correction data. So now we can see that our receiver is connected. We can see here by our coordinates. Another step before we proceed with collecting the points would be to set different layers. So go to layer management. By default, you have a first 0 layer. In order to create a new layer, in the top left or right corner, press on the add layer. You type in the layers that you want to add, select the color, the way it will be displayed, and good. So for this, we switch to the test. Now we have a few options. We'll first collect a point. Have to wait a bit until we receive a better solution status. So RTK, very good to go. So you collect the point by clicking the circle. Okay. Let's walk here. Click it and collect. We can see that the circle has been collected. Oh, the point has been collected. We can collect another point. We go here. Once again, we collect a point. In our Serene app, you have a few options. Besides collecting the points, you can also collect the lines. In order to do this, we now move into another point. Let's say here, and we can collect the line. So now, as you can see, we have collected the line from our previous point to here. We can collect arcs. In order to demonstrate this, we can go here and collect first a point, then we collect another point here, we make an arc. So now you can see that we have built an arc with our collected points. Further, you can collect the polylines. So we can demonstrate it by collecting the points along the curve. We have collected the point, and from now on we will collect everything in a straight line. But that's still not everything. Also, with our app, you can collect the areas. And now I'll try to collect an area of this residential area where people sit. In order to do this, at first we collect a point in one corner. We move to another corner here. we collect it as a polyline. And at last, you will have to click an area that we have collected an area. And this is the way how you do different kind of surveying tasks with our GLA-RTK app. So at the end of the day, once you're done collecting the points, we have to save our project by clicking save button, and we choose the folder where it will be saved. We use this folder. We can name it. We'll give it test 1, and we select the format. In our case, we'll do the CSV file. Done. And as you can see, our project has been saved, and we are ready to post-process our files. Thank you.